Hi there, it's Guru Nishan here from gurunishan.com. Thanks so much for tuning in, and this is the place to be to manage your frequency. I teach you different breath techniques, tools, and tips to help you live your lightest and brightest self, and you can check me out over at gurunishan.com. I want to share with you a breath today for rejuvenation. It's an awesome, powerful breath for you to activate the capacity of your breath to change your inner state of being. If you extend the practice of this breath over time as you build up your capacity, you want to do it before you go to bed, or at least know that you have a lot of several hours after you do this for an extended period of time to rest and to reintegrate back into your body. We're going to do it for a short period of time, just a couple of minutes to give you a taste of how it works, but it's best done if you do it for a full 5 minutes and build your way up to a full 11 minutes. And after 11, you would build up to 31 minutes. But do a strong, steady practice of 11 minutes of this practice daily, and see how rejuvenated and regenerated you feel, okay? So what's gonna happen here is the hands are gonna be open, fingers are wide. The tip of the base of the pinky is gonna be touching, just the edges, and the base of the edge of the palm, but the rest is somewhat open and wide, like this, slightly cupped, and the hands are a bit of an angle upward in front of the chest, okay? Your eyes are going to be looking down at the tip of your nose. We're going to inhale through the whistled mouth, long and slow, and we're going to exhale in 4 parts through the nose, mentally vibrating sa, ta, na, ma on each stroke. So it's inhaling through the whistled mouth like this. Get as much air as you can. Exhale in 4 strokes through the nose, vibrating sa, ta, na, ma. But make sure you push all of the air out of the breath on the exhale so that you have a full capacity to inhale. Sound good? All right, we're going to do this a couple of minutes, and I want to invite you to do this as a regular practice because it's a beautiful, powerful rejuvenation practice. Okay? All right, let's begin. Tip of the pinky together, side of the hand, hands are wide. Inhale through the lips, whistled mouth. Exhale 4 parts through the nose. Looking at the tip of the nose. Keep the hands wide. Mentally vibrating Satanama as you exhale. The cycle of life, death, birth, life, creation, that cycle, that transformation of all of the entire universal creation of movement. Inhale, stretch the hands out. Hold, stretch, reach. And exhale, lower the arms down, take a few breaths. Let the body adjust itself. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Again, if you like this video, do me a favor and like it. Put a little thumbs up on the video. It makes a difference. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And share this video with a friend. Let somebody else know that it exists. Spread the light, be the light, and live your light fully. And remember, every single week you can plug into my channel. And if you get on my email list, you'll get it sent directly to your email. And you can check me out and get on my email list at gurunishan.com. There is a link in this description to get signed up for my website as well. And I look forward to connecting with you somewhere in the world, hopefully live and in person one day. Thanks so much. I'm Guru Nishan from gurunishan.com. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you next week.